Did you know that you can choose whether your room rates are displayed inclusive of GST or exclusive of GST on Homeyhuts? Let me show you how you can make these changes. First, go to Menu, then click on Host Control Center and click on Manage Properties. Select the property you want to update. Now, turn this toggle button on to display the rates inclusive of GST to the guest. Turn this toggle button off to display the room rates exclusive of GST. And that's it. Your selected settings will determine how your room rates are displayed to the guest on Homeyhuts.